Welcome to the payment section. Inside of this area, you will have all tools in relation to accepting payments, creating charges, tracking transactions, subscriptions, creating payment links, issuing coupons, and of course, documents and contracts in which you can select, collect e-signatures online. The first section you're going to land in is invoices. When you hover on invoices, you'll be able to see all invoices, recurring templates, and regular templates. Invoices are subdivided between recurring and one-time invoices. Before you create your invoices, make sure to go into the settings section and fill out all the details in relation to your account. There are several pages in regards to email configuration, invoice titles, terms, payment settings, so on and so forth that you will need to fill out and make sure you understand before sending and launching your invoices. The next section is documents and contracts. Inside of this section, you'll be able to create documents and send them to your contacts to collect e-signatures and get signatures on contracts before you do business with them. Again, make sure you click on the settings section and update each of the customer notifications, team notifications, and product invoicing settings before sending your documents and contracts. Once you have all of your details set, you can then click on New, choose whether it's a new document, or you can upload a PDF that you have already created and then add and edit your documents and contracts before sending. You will then be able to track by the date sent and see whether or not it's a draft, if you're waiting on someone to sign it, or if it's a completed document or contract. The next section are orders. Here, you'll be able to track all of the order submissions inside of your account. You can filter by the different status, such as completed, canceled, or pending. One popular use case for the order section is to look at abandoned checkouts, in which someone has started checking out inside of your e-commerce or your payment form page, but did not complete the payment. You may have some contact details in which you can target and reach back out to that individual to help them complete the payment. The next section is subscriptions. Here, you can keep track of all the subscriptions that people have signed up for via the order forms that you create in your account. You can then manage the provider, the individual customer, where they came from, and of course, various status. Once you have details here, you would be able to download all the subscription info via CSV file. The next section are payment links. These are quick ways to be able to send specific links for various products in your account. You can click on Create a Link and fill out each one of these details by selecting the individual product that you would like to charge. And once you figure out all the details, you can then copy and send the link, and someone can use this landing page to be able to purchase a particular product. Next, you have transactions. Here is an overall list of all transactions across your entire account in one single landing page. Next, you have products. Products can be digital, physical, or service-based products for your account. You can click on Create a Product, follow through each one of the details, adding pricing, variants, SEO details, and save that. You can also import a large list via CSV file. You can import products from Stripe and then manage each one of your products. You also have collections in which you can group similar products together. And you have inventory in which you can track and manage the product inventory based on SKU, available quantity, and whether or not you continue selling them when out of stock. The next section is coupons. You can then create a coupon and figure out the coupon name, the type of coupon, whether it's a percentage, a fixed, select start and end dates, choose whether or not you're limiting the number of times the coupon can be redeemed, limiting it to individual customers. And once you're happy with your details, you can then visualize all coupons, active, scheduled, and expired. Next, you have the settings section. These are overall settings for all of the payment tools that we have just gone over. Make sure you fill out this before using each one of the steps or tools inside the payments section of your account. Last but not least is integrations. Inside the integrations, you'll be able to visualize which payment providers you have integrated with. Once you click on Connect on the right-hand side, you then follow the steps to be able to set up a new account or connect your pre-existing account.